Okay, today we're at CES 2026 and taking a look at TCOMAS, and they have got some really wild ideas for cooling in this spot, and we're going to see if we can get some information on it. Okay, so I'm here with Mia, and she's going to tell us a little bit about these products.
Yes, we have a lot of new products. You can see these two case and choose liquid cooler is our new product. This is our the new case, the C300, and it different the other brands is we have this one for the magic neck. You can take it out. You can turn like this one or take it out. Take this off. Then charge the power here. Then you can put on the table or everywhere you want.
So how does that connect to the computer?
Use our software.
Okay.
Just can control it, the screen what you want the video.
Okay, and that will connect wirelessly to that display?
Yes.
That's awesome, okay.
Yeah.
So what made you decide to go with the 3D inside cooler? That is pretty interesting.
Yes, this one is our new product too.
Okay.
This we decide for is have this one.
Oh, that comes off too.
Then it's more convenient gamer to switch it off or maybe because the performance question issues for, and then in future with the higher levels liquid cooler we will change like this one. So if you want to change liquid cooler, you don't need to buy a whole set, only just buy the piece of.
Well, that is awesome.
Yeah, you can switch for it.
Oh wow. Okay, that's cool. So it'll just swap in and out.
Yeah.
Hey there.
Yes.
So what's your name?
Chris.
Chris? Okay, so what kind of thermal performance can we expect out of these coolers?
Actually, this is our second generation cold plate.
Okay.
So we are pretty much testing up to about 350 TDP.
Okay, wow.
350 watts. So standard processor, no overclocking, definitely no problem. Even with extreme overclocking, you still have the bandwidth to cover it. And also that the reason we can offer it not just the second generation of the cold plate, but also the fan that pair with it. We're using a full range fan, which means that it can go from 600 RPM to all the way to 3200 RPM. So if you really want to do extreme, cooling, capability, you can have the choice to do so.
Are there different sizes of coolers, radiators?
Mainland China, yes, we do. We have a 240 radiator, 360 radiator, even 120 radiator.
Okay.
But in North America, we only focus on 360.
Okay, well, that's the size that I like anyway, so that's awesome. All right, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.